evening to everyone present here. I am Ananya, class 3A, Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Sambalpur. I am here to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. I would like to start by wishing all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. It is because of your hard work and dedication that we as students learn and grow into better person every day. I would like to thank all the teachers for always standing with us as a supportive pillar and correcting our numerous mistakes. To mark their hard work towards teaching and honor them with appreciation, Teachers' Day is celebrated all over India on 5th September. Celebration of Teachers' Day was started by the first Vice President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on 5th September 1888. He was also the second President of India and a great scholar. He had a passion for teaching and was also awarded the Bharat Ratna. Once, when some of his students asked to celebrate his birthday, Dr. Radhakrishnan told them that he would be very honored if instead of celebrating 5th September as his birthday, they celebrated it as Teachers' Day. This truly shows how much he was dedicated to teaching and passionate about paying respect to all the teachers. Thus, every year we celebrate Teachers' Day to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Celebration of Teachers' Day in school holds a special place in our hearts. Being a student, we get an opportunity to organize special performances in honor of our beloved teachers. This day is filled with fun, excitement, and lots of activities for all the students. Lastly, I would like to thank all my teachers for playing role models in our lives and help us grow into better people. I am thankful to get an opportunity to deliver a speech on the special occasion of Teachers' Day. Finally, I salute all my respected teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.